Good morning, students. Welcome to another session of Wireless Communications and Networks, Unit 1, Wireless Communications and System Fundamentals, Modern Wireless Communication Systems. Today we discuss about the second example for modern wireless communication system. That is Introduction to Wireless Local Loop Technology. Introduction to Wireless Local Loop Technology. Here, why we are going for wireless local loop? Wireless local loop. Here, suppose before going to this wireless local loop technology, first we are discuss about how internet is accessed through the PSTN network. What is the PSTN network? PSTN is nothing but public switch telephone network, which is nothing but landline telephones. What is the service we are using landline connection? Basically voice transmission. But by using modem to connect to landline telephone, the same network when we use it to connect it to internet access. Internet access. That is, in general traditional way, to transmit voice and data communication to the end user, we are using local loop or subscriber loop. We are using wired system. Wired system. Suppose we require broadband, high-speed network we want for data transmission and internet accessing. At that time, we are used a broadband internet access. We use optical fibers and coaxial cables for broadband connection. For broadband, we are using two-wire pair and twisted pair cables to access internet, which is speed of vary in terms of kbps. But we are using optical fiber cables or coaxial cables, and coaxial cables, automatically the internet speed is increases. That is broadband internet access. This is about wired local loop. Suppose in your hometown having one telephone exchange, we want some broadband connection from telephone exchange to your home. From telephone exchange to your home, they are giving one a separate OFC cable line to your home installation. Nothing but it suppose within a very 100 meters between telephone exchange to your home, no problem. Suppose in terms of kilometers from telephone exchange to your home, automatically the installation time increases, the cost of the optical fiber cables or coaxial cables, whatever increases. That's why we are going for wireless local loop. That is, in wireless technology for subscriber access is day to day increases. That's why the general way referred is wireless local loop. Wireless local loop, nothing but from telephone exchange or from telephone exchange to your home. They are fixed at one base station in the telephone exchange or nearest building. At the top of the building, they are fixed one antenna. From that antenna to your home, good line of sight to your home. Automatically, it is a wireless. Here, the other names for this wireless local loops, it is fixed broadband wireless access. Other it is access called the WiMAX. WiMAX. The IEEE standard name is IEEE 802.16. IEEE 802.16. Here now I am discussing here this figure how the wireless local loop or fixed broadband wireless access works. Here, see this one. Suppose this is one city. We have to assume this is one city. This is one city. Here in this city having one switching center, nothing but your telephone exchange. Suppose we have to implement a fixed broadband wireless configuration, otherwise discuss the wireless local loop from switching center to base station, or the antennas are fixed at the top of the building. This is a base station. We are fixing this antennas here. From this switching center to base station, we have to fix a wire link. That is OFC cables for broadband for high speed links. From this base station to your residence, from base station to office buildings, from base station to government agency. We are going for wireless links. That is the concept of wireless local loop. That is, we have to replace the subscriber loop or local loop by using wireless technology. That's why it is called the wireless local loop. Here, in this fixed broadband wireless access or wireless local loop or fixed wireless access, here in this system, subscribers are used a fixed antenna mounted on a building or pole that has an obstructed line of sight to the base station antenna. This is in early stage of wireless local loop. Now the same technology we are using indoors also. Suppose in our university also we are having wireless access. That is Wi-Fi connection we are using from their main control switching center is their connection takes from telephone exchange, BSNL telephone exchange to our university. A OFC cable is there from university main building to all departments. We are also receiving OFC cables. The OFC cables are connected to routers, Wi-Fi routers. The Wi-Fi routers to your laptops is wireless. That is now the wireless local to local loop technology we are using both indoor and outdoor. Indoor and outdoor. Here, what are the advantages of this fixed broadband wireless access or WLL technology over wired approach? The first one is cost. Wireless system is nothing but automatic less expensive than the wired system. Nothing but suppose wired system nothing but from telephone exchange to your home. Suppose OFC cable we are going for using OFC cable. Nothing but number of poles required. Number of poles required from telephone exchange to your home. And cable cost and maintenance for that OFC cables. These are also reduced in fixed broadband wireless access or WLL technology. That is, there is no need poles. There is no need cable. There is no maintenance. However, the cost should be reduced. Next, installation time. Here, installation time is nothing but for suppose we have to fixing the poles and taking the optical fiber cable and fixing that optical fiber to every pole to your home. Installation time reduced, but in fixed BWA or wireless local loop, at the time of base station, installation once is completed, automatically the installation time can be reduced. And third advantage is selective installation. Here in this selective installation, nothing but it is not for all users. Those who want broadband wireless access, the particular subscribers only, we have to give that particular connection. Right. This is the three advantages of fixed BWA compared to wired approach. That is cost, installation time, selective installation. Here, BWA, broadband wireless access, needs to be evaluated with respect to alternatives. When we are going for this BWA, nothing but first one is wired scheme using existing installed cable. Existing installed cable. That is, we have to cable replacement policy. Nothing but suppose we need a broadband connection, then not automatically from telephone exchange to your home, right? We are using digital subscriber loops. Or we are using coaxial cables. Then automatically the installation, then automatically we are going for new technology, wireless. Automatically installation time reduced, cost should be reduced. That is, we have to go for replacement of the cable. The alternative is BWA. Next is mobile cellular technology. Nowadays we are using 4G, which supports broadband. Right? Here, what is the primary advantages of fixed BWA compared to mobile cellular technology? Which covers large area and supports high data rates compared to 4G. These are two alternatives. Why we are going for BWA, that is wide scheme using existing installed cable. The second one is mobile cellular technology. And this is about the second modern wireless network, that is introduction to wireless local loop technology. Right, we discussed today. Do you have any query? Type your query in the chat box. Thank you very much for attending today's session.